Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We are really glad you joined us. Today we have a topic that is very modern, very fun, and something every single person can relate to.
That is right. Today, we are going to talk about talking about your favorite app.
Apps. We use them every single day on our phones, on our tablets, on our computers. Apps are a huge part of modern life, especially in the USA.
Americans talk about apps all the time, at work, with friends, at school, at the dinner table. Someone is always recommending a new app or asking, "Have you tried this app yet?"
So knowing how to talk about your favorite app in English is a very useful and very natural conversation skill. And today, we are going to teach you exactly how to do it.
We will go slow. We will teach you the vocabulary, we will give you key phrases, and we will practice with real example conversations that sound natural and confident.
So let us get started. First, let us talk about what an app actually is. App is short for application. An application is a software program that you download and use on your device.
Your device can be your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer, and apps do all kinds of things. They help you communicate, shop, navigate, exercise, learn, entertain yourself, and so much more.
In the USA, the two most popular places to download apps are the Apple App Store for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for Android users.
You can download apps for free, or you can pay for them. Many apps are free to download but offer extra features if you pay for a subscription. A subscription means you pay a regular amount, usually monthly or yearly, to access premium features.
Premium means higher quality or more advanced. Premium features might include no advertisements, more content, or exclusive tools that free users cannot access.
Now, let's learn some key vocabulary for talking about apps. These are words you will use constantly in app conversations.
The first word is user-friendly. User-friendly means easy to use, easy to navigate, easy to understand. An app that is user-friendly does not require a manual or special knowledge. You just pick it up and use it naturally.
For example, I love this app because it is so user-friendly. Even my grandmother could figure it out in 5 minutes.
The second word is interface. The interface is the visual layout of the app, what you see on the screen, the buttons, the menus, the colors, the design. A good interface is clean, attractive, and easy to navigate.
The third word is notification. A notification is an alert that your phone or device sends you from an app. It pops up on your screen to tell you something, a new message, a reminder, a news update.
Some people love notifications because they keep you informed. Other people find them annoying and turn them off. You might say, I turned off all my notifications because they were too distracting.
Distracting means pulling your attention away from what you are doing. Too many notifications can break your focus and make it hard to concentrate.
The fourth word is update. An update is a new version of the app that the developers release to fix problems, add new features, or improve performance. You will often see a notification saying, Update available. Clicking it installs the newest version.
The fifth word is glitch. A glitch is a small technical problem or error in an app. Maybe the app freezes, crashes, or does something unexpected. Glitches are frustrating but very common. You might say, the app keeps glitching on me. It crashes every time I open it.
Crashes means the app suddenly stops working and closes itself. This is a very common tech complaint in America. Everyone has experienced a crashing app.
The sixth word is addictive. Addictive means so enjoyable and engaging that you cannot stop using it. Many Americans describe their favorite apps as addictive in a fun, lighthearted way.
For example, this game app is so addictive, I stayed up until 2 in the morning playing it last night.
The seventh word is recommend. To recommend means to suggest something to someone because you think they will like it or benefit from it. In app conversations, you will recommend apps to friends and have apps recommended to you all the time.
And the eighth word is download. To download means to install an app from the App Store onto your device. You download an app once and then it lives on your device until you delete it.
Those 8 words, user-friendly, interface, notification, update, glitch, addictive, recommend, and download are your essential app vocabulary. Learn these and you will sound very natural in any app conversation.
Now let us talk about how to describe your favorite app. Just like describing your favorite food or favorite movie, describing your favorite app is a skill that takes a little practice.
A great description has 3 parts. First, the name of the app and what category it falls into. Second, what it does and why it's useful. Third, why you personally love it.
For example, my favorite app right now is Duolingo. It's a language learning app. It teaches you a new language through short, fun daily lessons. I love it because it makes learning feel like a game instead of homework.
That's a perfect 3-part description. Name and category, what it does, why you love it. Simple, clear, and engaging.
Let us do another example. My favorite app is Spotify. It's a music and podcast streaming app. You can listen to millions of songs and podcasts for free or with a premium subscription. I love it because I can create playlists and discover new music based on my taste.
Beautiful. Notice the details. Streaming app, premium subscription, create playlists, discover new music. These are specific, descriptive words that make your explanation vivid and interesting.
Now let us do our first full example conversation. 2 friends are hanging out and talking about their favorite apps. I will be the first friend, and speaker 1 will be the second friend.
Perfect. Let us go.
Hey, can I ask you something? What app do you use for your workouts? I've been trying to find a good fitness app and I cannot decide.
Oh, you should definitely check out MyFitnessPal. It is incredible. You can track your calories, log your workouts, and it even has a huge database of foods so you can see exactly what you're eating.
Really? That sounds really useful. Is it free?
Yes, the basic version is completely free. There's a premium version with more features, but honestly, the free version has everything you need to get started.
And is it easy to use? I'm not great with tech stuff.
Oh, it is so user-friendly. The interface is really clean and simple. I figured it out in about 10 minutes. You'll have no problem with it.
That's great to hear. Does it send you a lot of notifications? I hate when apps bombard me with notifications.
I totally understand that. You can customize the notifications, though. I turned most of mine off and just kept the daily reminder to log my meals. Works perfectly for me.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, I'm going to download it today. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're going to love it. Let me know what you think after a week.
I will. Thank you so much. That was such a natural and helpful app conversation. Let's highlight the key phrases.
First, you should definitely check out blank. Check out means try it, look at it, explore it. Adding definitely makes the recommendation strong and enthusiastic. This is the #1 phrase for recommending an app to someone.
Second, it even has. Using even before a feature emphasizes that this is something extra and impressive, something you might not expect. It makes the description more exciting.
Third, the basic version is completely free. Basic version means the standard, no-cost version of the app. Knowing the difference between basic and premium is essential vocabulary for app conversations.
Fourth, I figured it out in about 10 minutes. Figure it out means I learned how to use it. I understood it. This is a very common American expression for learning something without formal instruction.
Fifth, bombarded me with notifications. Bombarded means to overwhelm with too many things at once. Bombarding with notifications means sending you too many alerts constantly. This is a very vivid and expressive phrase.
Sixth, you can customize the notifications. Customize means to change settings to match your personal preferences. This is a very important tech word in America. People love to customize their apps.
Seventh, let me know what you think after a week. This is a warm and curious follow-up. It means try it for a week and then tell me your opinion. It keeps the conversation going and shows genuine interest. Now, let us talk about some of the most popular app categories in America. Knowing these categories will help you have richer and more specific conversations about apps.
The first category is social media apps. These are apps for connecting with people, sharing photos, videos, and updates. The most popular ones in the USA right now are Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and X, which used to be called Twitter.
The second category is streaming apps. These are apps for watching videos or listening to music and podcasts. Popular ones include Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, Spotify, and Apple Music.
The third category is productivity apps. These are apps that help you work, organize, and get things done. Examples are Google Docs, Notion, Todoist, and Microsoft Teams.
The fourth category is navigation apps. These help you find directions and navigate from one place to another. The most popular ones in the USA are Google Maps and Waze.
The fifth category is food and delivery apps. These let you order food from restaurants and have it delivered to your home. Very popular ones are DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub.
The sixth category is fitness and health apps. These help you track workouts, count calories, meditate, and monitor your health. Popular ones include MyFitnessPal, Nike Training Club, Calm, and Headspace.
And the seventh category is finance apps. These help you manage money, track spending, and even invest. Popular ones are Mint, Venmo, Cash App, and Robinhood.
These 7 categories, social media, streaming, productivity, navigation, food delivery, fitness, and finance, cover almost every app Americans talk about. Know these categories and you will always have something to say.
Let us now do another example conversation. This time, 2 co-workers are talking during their lunch break. I will be one co-worker, and speaker 1 will be the other.
Here we go.
Hey, you always seem so organized. Can I ask what apps you use to stay on top of everything?
Oh, good question. Honestly, Notion has completely changed my life. It is a productivity app where you can take notes, manage projects, create to-do lists, basically everything in one place.
Really? I've heard of it, but never tried it. Is it complicated? It looks a little intimidating from the outside.
It does look overwhelming at first, I totally agree, but once you spend an hour watching a few tutorial videos, it clicks, and then you wonder how you ever managed without it.
Interesting. And is it free?
There is a free version that is honestly great for personal use. For team collaboration, though, the paid plan is worth it. But start with free and see how you like it.
That makes sense. What about for navigation? I just moved here and I keep getting lost.
Oh, Google Maps, without a doubt. It is the best. Real-time traffic updates, voice navigation, even tells you where to park. I could not survive without it, honestly.
I actually have that one already. I just need to use it more. What about for winding down at night? Do you have a good sleep or meditation app?
Yes, Calm is amazing for that. They have guided meditations, sleep stories, and relaxing music. I use it every single night before bed. It has genuinely improved my sleep.
Oh, I really need that. I have such trouble sleeping. I am downloading it today.
Do it. You will not regret it. Start with the 7-day free trial, and I promise you will be hooked.
Okay, I am sold. Thank you for all the recommendations. You're basically my personal app guide now.
Happy to help. Let me know how it goes.
That was such a rich and realistic conversation. Let us pull out the most useful phrases.
First, it has completely changed my life. This is a very strong and enthusiastic recommendation. Americans love to use dramatic, expressive language to describe things they love. Completely changed my life means it made a huge positive difference.
Second, it looks a little intimidating from the outside. Intimidating means scary or overwhelming at first glance. This is a great phrase for describing an app that seems complex before you actually try it.
Third, it clicks. When something clicks, it means you suddenly understand it. It all makes sense. The moment of understanding arrives. Once it clicks, you will love it. This is a very common and expressive American phrase.
Fourth, for team collaboration. Collaboration means working together with other people. Team collaboration means working together as a group. This is important vocabulary for productivity and work apps.
Fifth, without a doubt. Without a doubt means absolutely, definitely, 100%. It's a very emphatic and confident way to make a recommendation.
Sixth, winding down. Winding down means relaxing and slowing your mind and body before sleep. It's the process of transitioning from a busy, active state to a calm, restful one. A beautiful and very American expression.
Seventh, you will be hooked. Hooked means completely addicted and in love with something. If you are hooked on an app, you cannot stop using it. Similar to addictive, but even stronger.
Eighth, I'm sold. I'm sold means you convinced me. I'm ready to do it. I believe you. It's enthusiastic and decisive. Americans say it when they're fully persuaded.
Now let's do our complete phrase review. Repeat each phrase after us slowly and clearly.
First, you should definitely check out. You should definitely check out.
Second, it is so user-friendly. It is so user-friendly.
Third, I figured it out in about 10 minutes. I figured it out in about 10 minutes.
Fourth, you can customize the notifications. You can customize the notifications.
Fifth, it has completely changed my life. It has completely changed my life.
Sixth, once it clicks, you will wonder how you managed without it. Once it clicks, you will wonder how you managed without it.
Seventh, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Eighth, you will be hooked. You will be hooked.
Ninth, I am sold. I am sold.
And 10th, let me know what you think after a week. Let me know what you think after a week.
10 incredible phrases for talking about your favorite app. These will make you sound natural, expressive, and confident in any tech conversation.
Remember, in America, talking about apps is completely normal everyday conversation. At work, with friends, with family, apps come up constantly. And now you have everything you need to join that conversation with confidence.
Do not be shy about sharing your favorite apps. People love getting good recommendations, and people love it when you ask them for their recommendations too.
Asking someone about their favorite app is actually a great conversation starter. You learn something about them, you discover something new, and you practice your English all at the same time.
So the next time you are with a friend or coworker, try asking, "Hey, what app could you absolutely not live without right now?" You'll be amazed at the conversation that follows.
We are so proud of you for learning with us today. Technology vocabulary is very modern and very relevant English. You are building real, current language skills.
Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast. We hope it was helpful, fun, and easy to follow.
Listen again, repeat the phrases out loud, and practice describing your own favorite app. What is it called? What does it do? Why do you love it? Practice that description until it feels completely natural.
And join us next time for another everyday English topic that will help you feel confident, connected, and at home in the USA.
Until then, keep practicing, keep exploring, and never stop learning.
Take care, everyone. See you next time.